Hey guys, it is Thursday and today is going to be an important day because we are going to be having a Q&A session with me, AMA session, and team is going to be asking whatever question that comes to their head, and we do this on a regular basis with the team. And today is about bootstrapping the business and the mindset behind bootstrapping. Today is all about asking questions to me, and then I'll try to answer to my best of my ability. And don't restrict yourselves to any particular topic or anything. Just ask everything that comes to your head. So go for it.
What's a luxury that you've never had as a bootstrap founder?
One of the luxuries that I've never had is to throw money at a problem. Literally buy your way out of a poor product market fit product in the initial stages. But I see it the other way around. Like, this is a luxury that I'm giving up now for long-term growth, where we invest everything that we've got in building an amazing product initially. And then when that product stabilizes and the customer starts to love the product, then we have the customers talk about it and the growth happens eventually. So in the end, we VC funded companies plus us, we kind of meet at the same point down the line. So it's a short-term luxury that I give up to aim for the longer term win.
So it's been like 13 years we worked, like 13 plus, December it's 14. It's been 13-14 years that we worked together. And from your point of view, what is something that we have argued a lot, and end of the day, it has actually made the culture, structure, or the process of the company strong?
I think every argument has made the company stronger. That's how I see it.
Specific, anything that, one thing that you would say?
See, I know, I think we spoke about this few days back as well. Ever since then, I've been thinking, one of the best characteristics that I have, that I know of, is that I don't remember hard arguments between us. And that is also the worst characteristic in many ways, because I always look at what is the outcome at the end of the argument. Like, it's not about who's winning, but it is about what is the best outcome for the company. If the outcome is good, I'm fully content with that outcome, that I forget the argument entirely.
Yeah.
So carrying the arguments is carrying negativity against somebody. I don't do that, like in general. So we have arguments every now and then, but it was never about you winning personally or me winning personally.
Right.
It has always been about the best outcome for the company.
Right.
And it resonates the Beatles model, right? Like, every single person in the Beatles band, they were polar opposites to each other. They were at the point where they will never look at each other as well, but they produce beautiful bands, beautiful songs.
Synergy that they have.
Yes, that's how I see it.
In this very long time, what's the most counterintuitive lesson that you have learned? Some moment or something that taught you something, how important it turned out?
I think the entire journey of running the business has informed me who I am in the first place. What I'm good at, what I'm bad at, and what I'm incapable of and what I'm capable of. And one of the things that I've learned about myself is that I can survive under a lot of pressure for a prolonged period of time. Many people call this persistence.
Yeah.
So I don't have the giving up word doesn't enter my head. It does not even exist. But also, I have given up a lot as well. I know this is paradoxical, because you need to know when to give things up. And if we had not given up on every product that we have developed in the past, we would be in a mess right now, right? Yeah. We gave up consulting at some point. We didn't persist there because we knew something was better. So having that growing that intuitive gut feeling over the past few years, I think is the biggest learning that I've had. And also learning to know when a person is being truly genuine to the company's intentions and when it flips to only their intentions. Gauging that with experience is also something that I've learned, I think.
So Karthik, my question is, so you first started with consulting. And you could have started with building your own product, because you were building products for so many people, as far as I know. So why did it the thought come to you back in 2022, like to drop it off completely and go with product-based, journey rather than consulting? And also, how has it changed through like from consulting to the product based company, how has the customer service and how you handle customer, how has everything changed?
Sure, like that's a very nice question. Like, see, I still have a note that I wrote in 2012 that when I start business again, I'm going to be spending the next 10 years learning how to do it right. And that is what connected the dots in 2022, right? Because we knew that we can actually become a product company. Our goal was always to become a product company because that's the impact that you can control to add value to so many millions of customers, right? Like so far we have served over 4 million customers on FeatureOS alone. Now, the journey to the jump from 2013 to 2022, we have to survive somehow, right? And that's why we were actually doing the consulting. But again, we went to do the hardest thing in consulting itself. We were not doing websites. We were not doing some random things that anybody can do. We were doing something extremes like R&D level consulting businesses. We were solving problems with hardware, software integration, so many things with a small team, right? If we were large, the situation would have been different. And even with consulting, we were trusting our people so much that they were delivering like mad. Like we were fighting against the likes of Accenture, TCS, Wipro, and all. We were winning against them as well at some point. But 2022, when we decided, is because we had an overall, the company itself had an overall sense that things have changed. Product is now picking up. They were all excited to contribute to one single focused goal and not always answer to the customers' queries and the abusive consulting customers. They were there, right? So, and also we were traveling a lot. Like we barely saw each other many days in a week. Like we barely saw each other. And we wanted to bring all the talent and the focus and the experience that we have had building for other companies into one single product. That's why today, when I say that the support wire was built in under 4 months, people are like, you must be kidding me. Like you probably got it from somebody else. No, you can check the comment history. Or if you want us to do it from scratch in front of you, bring it on, we'll do it, right? So that level of confidence is what we invested in for the first 10 years. And then we knew we can actually build products, and now we are at this place.
If you had funding on day one, would you have built FeatureOS the same way? If yes, why?
It's a tricky question because right now we are focusing heavily on support wire, and FeatureOS is one of the things that we are continuously improving as well. So I always say that I would have invested heavily on FeatureOS, but eventually gotten to a point where we take on $1 billion company like Intercom to serve millions of other customers. Like eventually FeatureOS is still a part of a product's life cycle, but support wire is something that can span across many departments in the company, like sales, marketing, customer support, product engineering, and even analytics, GTM for that matter. So this is what we wanted to do. So I think the investments that we have made has been right for that particular period of time so far.
Yeah, Karthik, I have some questions. Like, when I joined in this company as an intern, I noticed the team is very small. So I had the question like, is that intentional or it's because you chose bootstrapping?
See, I have two perspectives to this. It might be a slightly longer answer. Whenever people judge a company by the team size, I always ask them to look at how many number of hearts do you have. Only one. You can be an athlete, you can be a Formula 1 driver, you can be the owner of a multi-trillion-dollar company as well, you still have only one heart, right? It's the same way. Like, you can't, just because you need a larger, you are after a larger vision, it doesn't need a larger team all the time, right? And most importantly, the best work happens when small team of intentional people come together and attack one single problem. That's what we have been doing here as well. And bootstrapping, see, we were 22, 23 people a few years back when we were consulting, right? Even when we were running FeatureOS, we were 18 plus people, right? Initially. So it does not tie into bootstrapping at all. And these are some of the things that we have tried during consulting days as well. So hiring, we still have the appetite to hire. We just choose not to do it because we need to first explore the pinnacle of every single person over here and then give them the opportunities first, have them go out and explore their best parts and the worst parts. And then if they feel like, okay, it's time to hire somebody, then we go out and hire. It's not nothing is done in a bootstrap business for the sake of doing it or because the textbook says so.